What's up? This is your girl Brittany Mills, and I will be doing a unboxing and review on a product that I received from a company on Amazon. It is a 2.5 retinol serum for your face. The name of the brand is 60 Care Lab. It is a rapid wrinkle hyaluronic acid serum. It promotes and helps with anti-aging and wrinkling. It helps smooth fine wrinkles, helps smooth fine lines, and promoting brighter skin. This is the product. So this is best to be used at night, so I will be showing you guys how I apply it. So what you want to do is just take a few drops, put it on your fingertips, and and kind of warm it up a little bit before applying it to your face. It does have a little dropper, so you can just squeeze it on your fingers.